Okay guys, so see, carrot dumpling. So me just gonna make this one set, and then you're gonna see when me cook it. So carrot dumpling, guys, watch your progress. Just like when people them when I say colaz me TV, when I say watch your progress, me tell them I'm so captivated. It's like me just bug up on the YouTube channel and me just say, yo, this is so authentic, so Jamaican. This is not a promo or anything, but people need to go watch them. So real youth. So remember, like, subscribe, and share to Mellow Sweet Journey. So watch and see what is going to happen to these carrot dumplings. Plus, we need to live healthy, so people can try it. So just grate some carrot, regular flour, and just add some salt, and that's it. So alright, so like I said, me I make this one set. Me I go put it on my stove and go on. But I'm probably gonna do the chicken first. So when I make up my mind, I come back. So watch your progress. Okay, so guys, in this is what we're gonna French fry the chicken in. I put some curry in there. I put some meat seasoning in there, and I add some salt and also some curry. So we'll add a little bit more curry so you can see. So we add curry, yeah, and then we just go mix it up. And some salt in this, yeah. So chicken already curry me, so we'll show you that. So we're gonna cook carrot dumpling, corn, and some sweet potato. So that we're gonna do today. Okay, all right. I'm already make my vegetable already, so we'll show you that too. Okay guys, so this is my seasoning to make my sauce. I'm gonna use this pepper and this garlic to put in the pot when I'm doing the chicken. And this is my chicken that's already curried, and that's the season that I was mixing that has everything. So I was just putting in some pieces in there, and you know, so that's the yam and the sweet potato. And there you have my thing over there. Ignore this sugar. Let me just put it up here for now because I don't need it. Alright, so we're getting ready to do the frying. So I am just going to take out more of the chicken and put in the flour. I'm gonna put them in something separate though, so when the pot is hot, I'm going to fry them, deep fry them in this pot. So I'll show you. So pot there, put pepper and garlic. Because you know, so when you French fry, the pot will be hot. You see, pot will bubble up. So I try to put a leg here in there and see if it's hot enough. Alright, put this more in there. Go with the wing now. Yeah. Try the next leg again. Yeah. So but hot. So when they fry, yeah, go do the rest them. and tell you how it tastes. Because we're going to do the chicken first, then we cook the food. See the progress here, guys. See? Well, frying up I'll curry and beer things, you know. So, a few more pieces to go. So, just I wait for them here. As you can see, I boil some whole so that it can soak properly. Soft still. As you can see, it's soft. Like the knife just go right, the fork just go right through them, you see? Yeah, cover it and make it steam fry. So guys, this is our chicken. Look at it. Yep. Curry French fried chicken. So that's it. So we'll make the sauce for it. I have my water with the salt in there. Wait for it to boil. Then I'm gonna put in my carrot dumpling, sweet potato, and my corn. Guys, we have our dumpling cooking. We have our our carrot dumpling cooking in our pot. So just stirring it so that they all get some even cooks. And then we're gonna add our corn and our sweet potato, because you know those are soft so that they don't need to cook right away. So cover that, let them cook for a few minutes, and then we add the corn. See it here, guys. Pata bubble. Almost ready to be taken off though, because these, they don't take long to cook. See, soft, and you don't want them to be hard either. And look at my dumpling, guys. Look at it. Oh my god, I can't wait. And the corn is also soft, so I'm gonna give these about 2 more minutes, if so much, and then turn off the stove, serve, and let you guys see my final product. So final product, our carrot dumpling, our corn, sweet potato, that's our chicken, curry fried chicken, a little vegetable on the side with some apple wedges. And here we have our cranberry apple with some apple wedges. So this is dinner for today. So guys, use what you have to make what you love. So we're gonna try this out. So guys, remember, like, subscribe, and share. Let me get my fork and let me try this and see how it tastes. I was going to do the whole knife and fork thing, but no. Alright, so let's try this carrot dumpling, because this is my first time. Oh, look at this cut. Look at that. Let's just get some of this. Switch the camera. It's like so moist though. It's nice. It's nice, guys. I did well. I'm not lying. It's so soft. I really did well. Alright, so let's try it again. Oh, let's try it. These are the sweet. I didn't really like these sweet potato. First one. Okay. Alright, let me try a piece of my chicken. I'm gonna just hold it like this. well seasoned. So, not bad. Remember, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, which is Mellow Sweet Journey. Yeah, not bad. First experiment.